Telehealth is healthcare delivered using digital technology where participants may be separated by time and/or distance. Telehealth is a relatively young mode of providing healthcare to patients, and it has become more prevalent over the years due to COVID-19. It has become a convenient way to provide healthcare services to patients without having to meet face-to-face. It is used as a means to widen the access to healthcare for people, especially for those that live in rural areas. A telehealth survey form is a survey that asks a telehealth patient about their experiences and thoughts regarding telehealth appointments with healthcare practitioners. It's used to gauge which parts of the telehealth format of healthcare are working for your patient as well as what might need to be improved. Ideally, every time after an appointment ends, you should always issue this so you're always in the know as to how you are doing with your telehealth service. Any healthcare practitioner with a telehealth service can use this free telehealth survey. To use our telehealth survey, follow these steps. Download the telehealth survey template off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details at the top of the form. The form consists of 13 questions which are provided with a multiple choice answer. Tell the patient to respond with the answer that best reflects how they felt for each question. At the end of their form, there is an additional comment section which allows the patient to provide any detailed feedback which may be useful for the clinic. Here is a sample of our telehealth survey which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our telehealth survey, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.